Hello everyone. Let us solve the following. Show that tan 48 into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74 is equal to 1. Okay? We need to prove tan 48 into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74 is equal to 1. So, to prove this, let us use some simple trigonometric identities. Okay. So, what are those? We know that tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Okay. And tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. We are using only these simple trigonometric identities to show this one, to get the required thing, right? So, as we know, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. We can write, how can we write tan 42? Tan 42 can be written as tan 90 minus 48. Tan 90 minus 48, right? So tan 90 minus 48, it is in the formula, it is in the form of tan 90 minus theta. So tan 90 minus 48. So tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So tan 90 minus 48 becomes cot 48. Obviously, cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. So we can write simply cot 48 as 1 by tan 48. Okay. Right. Now we are taking tan 74 now. So we have taken tan 74 and we can write tan 74 as tan 90 minus 16. Again, it is in the form of tan 90 minus theta, which is nothing but cot theta. So tan 90 minus 16 becomes cot 16. Again, cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So cot 16 becomes 1 by tan 16. But what we need to prove, tan 48 into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74 is equal to 1. So we are just substituting tan 42 as 1 by tan 48 and tan 74 as 1 by tan 16. Okay. So finally, how does it become? Tan 48 into tan 16 into tan 42 becomes 1 by tan 48. Okay. And tan 74 becomes 1 by tan 16. Right. So how does it become? So let us, to simplify it easily, we are getting, similar terms together. So we can write the same, expression as here like this: tan 48 into 1 by tan 48, tan 16 into 1 by tan 16. So when we simplify it, tan 48 gets cancelled, tan 16 get cancelled. So finally, 1 remains here. So we have proved. What did we prove? Tan 48 into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74 is equal to 1. LHS is equal to RHS. So it is proved. So here this can be solved in other way also. We have converted tan 42 and tan 78 in terms of tan 48 and tan 16. We can convert tan 48 tan 16 as, in terms of tan 42 and tan 17, and we can prove it. Let us see that also. See. Here, same identities I am using. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, and tan theta is 1 by cot theta and cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Same identities. But I am converting here tan 48. How can we write tan 48? Tan 48 is nothing but tan 90 minus 42. Again, it is in the form of tan 90 minus theta. So tan 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta. So tan 90 minus 42 becomes cot 42. So again, cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. So cot 42 becomes 1 by tan 42. Similarly, we can write tan 16 as tan 90 minus 74. Okay, so it is in the form of tan 90 minus theta. So tan 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta. So tan 90 minus 74 becomes cot 74. And cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. Okay. So cot 74 becomes 1 by tan 74. Just substitute these values in the given equation here, right? So here what are we doing? So therefore tan 48 into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74 becomes 1 by tan 42 into 1 by tan 74 into tan 42 into tan 74. Just I substituted the values of tan 48 as 1 by tan 42 and tan 16 as 1 by tan 74. Okay, so for simplifying it easily, let us get the similar terms together. Okay, so I'm writing just as 1 by tan 42 into tan 42 and 1 by tan 44 into tan 44. Okay, so these things gets cancelled, these terms get cancelled, and finally the remaining thing will be 1. Okay, so finally we are able to prove that tan 48 into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74 is equal to 1. Okay, right? It's a simple problem. Am I right? Yes. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.